Close the door.
Sammy, can I close the door?
No.
No, he wants it open. He wants to have some fresh air.
Close.
Close? Okay. Want me to close it?
Push it.
Push it? I just closed it. Don't push it. Don't push it. Don't push it. Sit down. Mira's gonna read to you. Sit down. Oh no. Uh
Oh
oh.
my God! A tarantula ate a fly, and it killed it.
Oh no.
The end. That was the newspaper.
Oh no.
I'm gonna get a cup of coffee. Oh! My cup of coffee's right here. I got a coffee. Oh, coffee! I don't need it. Please, coffee. Oh, I get the coffee. We coffee you. I got you. Oh, okay, I'll come to you. No. Oh, yeah, a cup of tea.
You want a cup of tea?